In the wild, survival is often seen as a race of speed or a contest of strength. But nature has a subtler side. Sometimes the most effective weapon isn't a sharp claw or a powerful bite. It is a convincing lie. This is the world of thanatosis, the extraordinary evolutionary art of playing dead to escape the jaws of certain death. Our journey begins with the most famous actor in the animal kingdom, the Virginia opossum. When cornered by a predator like a red fox, the opossum doesn't just run. It enters a state of profound physiological shock. It collapses instantly. Its body goes limp, its tongue hangs out, and its heart rate drops significantly. To complete the illusion, it secretes a foul-smelling fluid that mimics the scent of decaying meat. The fox, sensing a rotten meal, loses interest. In the wild, fresh prey is always preferred over carrion. Next, meet the hognose snake, a reptile that takes the concept of a death scene to theatrical heights. When its initial bluff of hissing fails, the hognose turns to a dramatic grand finale. It rolls onto its back, opens its mouth wide, and even allows drops of blood to ooze from its mouth. If a human were to flip it back onto its belly, the snake would immediately roll back over, insisting it's dead. In the wetlands, the fire-bellied toad uses a different variation of this tactic, known as the unken reflex. When a predator approaches, the toad arches its back and lifts its limbs to reveal a startling secret. This display signals that the toad is not only dead, but highly toxic, a double deterrent for any hungry bird. On the African savanna, survival for a newborn Thompson's gazelle depends entirely on staying hidden. Too young to outrun a cheetah, the fawn utilizes tonic immobility. It lies perfectly still, blending into the earth. Even as a predator passes just inches away, the gazelle maintains shallow breathing and unblinking eyes. The cheetah, keyed into movement, misses the motionless prey. For the gazelle, silence is the ultimate shield. Thanatosis isn't always about escaping predators. Sometimes it's about the dangers of love. In the world of the nursery web spider, the male faces a risky courtship. The female is much larger and often hungry. He brings a gift, a silk-wrapped fly, and then drops to the ground, feigning death. As the female begins to eat the gift, he springs back to life to complete the mating process safely. From the forest floor to the vast savanna, these 5 masters of deception prove that life is worth acting for. In the natural world, survival isn't just about the strongest, it's about the smartest. Sometimes you have to die to live. Thank you for exploring the mysteries of the wild with us. Remember, survival is the greatest performance.